This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Italian sausage on the grill. First, preheat your grill to a medium-low heat, aiming for about 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for even cooking without burning. Next, gather your sausages, a good pair of tongs, and a reliable meat thermometer. Finally, make sure your grill grates are clean and lightly oiled to prevent any sticking, ensuring a smooth grilling experience. Now, let's get those sausages cooking. Place them directly over the medium-low heat, making sure not to overcrowd the grill. This allows for proper air circulation and even cooking. Turn the sausages every 2 to 3 minutes to get that beautiful, consistent browning all around. Continue grilling for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Knowing when your Italian sausage is perfectly cooked is key to a delicious meal. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm the internal temperature has reached 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the sausage, being careful to avoid any bone. When done, the sausage will feel firm to the touch, and the juices will run clear, indicating it's safe and ready to enjoy. Once your sausages are cooked to perfection, it's time for a crucial step: resting. Remove them from the grill and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is essential because it allows the delicious juices to redistribute throughout the sausage, making every bite more tender and flavorful. Then, serve your perfectly grilled Italian sausages with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps on a bun or alongside some grilled vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.